Hi, thank you again for watching my videos, appreciate it. And every time you guys ask me questions, I learn more as well and ask my business partners for answers if I don't have the answers ready for you. I wanted to especially thank the ladies today. Because of your questions and your different scenarios, I've learned a lot, and I really feel that we uh, need to address some of these concerns that the ladies have. One of them is, that they're always treated differently when they go to the mechanics. Now, we have mechanics that I've dealt with for a long, long time, and they're honest people, and they treat the ladies with the respect that they deserve. It doesn't matter if you don't know what the problem with your vehicle is. I'll give you a very, very easy way to find out what your problem with your vehicle is. If you don't know what the problem with your vehicle is, just take it to, if it's a Toyota, just take it to Toyota. If it's a Honda, just take it to Honda. And people say, if you take it from Toyota or you take it to Honda, it's going to cost you more money. But ladies, all you're going to pay for is a diagnostic. And most of the time, it's it's $100 or $150. It's not going to be more than that. But then you know exactly what's wrong with your vehicle. And then, you can go to your local mechanic after that and say, hey, I think this is the problem with the vehicle. And if they come back and say, oh, no, that can't be the problem with the vehicle, we'll check it and come back to you and say, oh, this is wrong or that is wrong. Then you can pull up the diagnostic and show it to them and say, you know what? Please don't treat me like a 5-year-old. I'm a woman, but that doesn't mean that I know nothing about cars. And you can ask me any questions about cars, and trust me, I won't treat you like some of these mechanics treat you. I don't mean to smirk and laugh about that, but I think that it's important that you ladies, it's 2018 now. You ladies need to be able to handle some of this stuff on your own, and just keep watching the videos and keep sending those comments and appreciate it. Thank you, ladies.